Today's last example is integral of x cubed times a squared plus x squared raised to 1 half dx. Ang gagawin natin dyan is, dahil alam naman natin pag nilection natin yung a squared plus x squared ay magiging, matitira is magiging x dx yung kakalabasan. Kaya ang gagawin natin is, yung x cubed na nasa labas, gagawin natin x squared times x. Tapos a squared plus x squared 1 half. Kumbaga i-manipulate lang natin. Then yun lang din naman kasi value nun. X squared times x is equals x cubed lang din. Manipulate lang natin para mas mapadali natin ma-compute. Then yung pipiliin natin ilalight dyan is yung x squared. Tapos yung naman, x times a squared plus x squared raised to 1 half ay magkasama na. Gidiyo na to is 2x dx. Ang dv naman natin ay integral of x a squared plus x squared raised to 1 half dx. Let's say lang natin yung loob ng may exponent. This say na to ay a squared ay constant. A is constant kaya 0. Derivatives ng constant ay 0. Derivatives ng x squared ay 2 times x, di ba bababa yung 2 times x, tapos raised to 2 minus 1, magiging 2x dx. Divide natin yung 2 kasi magiging x dx na lang yung matitira. Say over 2 x dx. Magiging yung x dx na yan, yun. Kumbaga yung x dx ay equal sa d say over 2. Yung say naman natin is 1, say raised to 1 half, ito yun. Kasi naka-raised to 1 half yun. Tapos, d say over 2. Kasi yun yung dx natin. Ito, equal. Etong dalawang may bilog, equal dito. Tapos, ito naman, equal sa say. Gets ba? Tapos, ngayon, labas natin constant. Say raised to 1 half. D say 1 half times say 1 half plus 1 1 half plus 1 1 half times 1 half plus say raised to 1 half plus 1 is di ba pwede natin gawin yung 1 2 divide 2 para magkamukha ng denominator kasi 1 lang naman 2 divide 2 maging 2 plus 1 is 3 tapos copy yung denominator na 2 balikan lang din tong nasa baba, 2 divide 2, magiging 3 over 2. Equals siya sa, bali mangyayari dyan, yung nasa gitna, tapos yung nasa ibabaw. B2 times is 6, say raised to 3, 2. Bali ang mangyayari dyan is magiging 2 over 6. Ano ba yung say yung value na say, di ba yung a squared plus x squared raised to 3 halves. Yan ay b natin. Gamitin natin yung uv minus b du. Ang u natin ay x squared. B yun. Tapos, ang b naman natin ay 2 divide 6 is 1/3 a squared plus x squared raised to 3 over 2. Tapos minus integral of sign, yung b natin yung 1/3 b squared plus x squared raised to 3 over 2. Tapos ang du naman natin ay 2x dx. Then bali, simplify lang natin to, magiging x squared times 1/3 is yun na yun. A squared plus x squared raised to 3, 2. Then, 2 times 1/3 is 2/3. Labas na natin yan. A squared plus x squared raised to 3 over 2. X dx. Di ba lang katulad lang din ang ginawa natin kanina. Yung x dx magkasama. Tapos, let's say natin yung nasa loob. A squared plus x squared. Ito. Let's say natin. D say is 0 din to dahil constant, ito x din. ito x dx. Divide sa 2 ulit. Hindi ko mag-dc over 2 x dx. Yan. Di bali 2/3 times integral of say raised to 3/2 dahil naka-raised to 3/2 yung ito, naka-raised to 3/2. Tapos ang value ng x dx ay dc over 2.